In Finland, there is a city called Nokia. A man named Fredrik Idestam, who was an engineer and a businessman, lived in this city. He owned a large piece of land in Nokia and in 1865 decided to establish a paper mill on this land. He named this factory after the city, calling it the Nokia Paper Mill. This is the story of the founding of Nokia. This factory, which is nearly 160 years old, was continued by the Idestam family and became one of Finland's largest paper producers. 100 years later, in 1960, the family decided to expand their business. Alongside paper manufacturing, they started producing rubber products such as radiator hoses and engine mounts. Rubber manufacturing significantly boosted the company's success and expanded its sales across Europe. The Idestam family was very pleased with this development and began producing cables as well. 20 years passed, and the factory grew larger each day. By 1981, they decided to enter the technology sector, establishing an electronics factory and soon producing Nokia's first mobile phone. This mobile phone did not receive much enthusiasm because it was expensive and only worked in limited urban areas. However, Nokia's managers believed that the future lay in mobile phones and related technologies. Thus, they sold off their paper, cable, and rubber businesses to focus entirely on technology. In the 1990s, Nokia phones gained global popularity and became increasingly smaller, which was widely appreciated. In 1998, Nokia achieved the highest sales among mobile phone manufacturers and dominated the global market. The reason for this success was the significant risk taken by the Idestam family. They closed their lucrative factories and invested heavily in technology. By 2008, Nokia had reached its peak, selling 472 million phones in 1 year and setting a record. However, after that, the company's sales declined due to various reasons, including the 2008 financial crisis and falling behind in smartphone technology. Nokia tried to enter the smartphone market but couldn't compete with rivals like Apple, which had been working on smartphones since 2004. In 2014, Microsoft bought Nokia for $7.2 billion. But this deal resulted in substantial losses for Microsoft, eventually leading to the sale of Nokia to Foxconn for $350 million. Today, Foxconn is trying to produce Nokia-branded smartphones using the Android operating system, but they have yet to succeed in creating a product that can compete with Apple and Samsung. We will have to wait and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating videos.